update about my windscreen. I have noticed that when I sit on the motorcycle, the windshield is right directly here, meaning if I would ever crash, I would go right into it like this. That's not ideal, isn't it? So, but looking at the more expensive motorcycles like BMW and how their windshield is attached, I noticed that it's more straightforward, than my one is more the angle, as you could clearly see. So what I decided to do is to take my windscreen off, try to straighten this bit and bend the metal bar somewhere around here, because I still have a lot at the top. So we'll bend it around this corner here, and that way I will have an extension of the metal bar and we'll be able to set up the windscreen a bit more straight up and away obviously from my face in case of a crash. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so to straighten, I put my windscreen into twice, and now I'm just gently with the extended bar lifting it up very gently. So rest of a straightening of a bar I'm going to do with the actual vise by squeezing it very tightly in. There you go, nicely straightened. Now let's do the same thing with the other one. Once I straighten it, when I want to bend it, I did a little mark where I want to bend it. I'm going to squeeze in the vise and just bend it gently down. Okay, and now is extended. That's where the original bend was. This is where is the new bend. Now I just lift attach these ones to my windshield. Okay, and now when it's attached, you can see how much is extended. All I got to do, just quickly try that on my motorcycle. Just a part of attaching the windshield back into original place. And tighten all these ends. Now, when I ride my motorcycle, I have more space to duck in. And if I ever crash, well, at least not on the windscreen. Nice. Loving it. Let's try it out.